This is good for South Africa. Paulus goes on the overlap. Paulus, can he work an opening here? Mokwena setting it up. Paulus again. Root block to goal. Now it comes back to Talentum Bata. Does he pull the trigger? He decides to. It's in the net. Talentum Bata. Oh, the dream is alive. The dream is very, very much alive. And Bata on 5 minutes has rifled it in through the hands of Fiacre and Twari, the Kaiser Chiefs goalkeeper. Nigeria winning, South Africa are winning. The lottery has just become a little bit more attainable. Gayton McKenzie is dancing. What a goal for Talentum Bata, the 25-year-old Buccaneer. Hammers that into the top corner. And South Africa have the lead just after news had filtered through that Nigeria had taken the lead. Apollos does so well, and Bata works it onto his right boot. Bit of a heavy first touch, but right through the hands of...
The rugby team are World Cup champions and US, rugby championship winners. What can the football team do? Apollos took his eye off the ball just for a moment. Morena resettles on Apollos. Oh, it's brilliant! It's absolutely brilliant! Oswin Apollos, formerly from Polokwane City, now a Buccaneer. He gets his 4th international goal on his 18th appearance. And South Africa are sailing to the land of Uncle Sam. 2-0. Gayton can't contain himself. Even Daniel Down, who doesn't often smile these days, he's smiling. South Africa 2, Rwanda 0. Revenge is in the air, and revenge is very, very sweet. Apollos makes the mistake initially, takes his eye off the ball. Tapelo Morena recycles it. What a great finish here. Beautifully played.
Paramissilo poliziano, Giovanni Conticio che gioco. Emigrazione Moscova. Anche che sponsorza si capisce come la gioia. E qui travaglio. Najgorni travaglio concreto. E Nigeria yenza balomsebenzi umnyobo nqaku amathathu. Ibafana Bafana ngokuthi masigqibe lento kutsho u-Evidence Makhopa. Thetha nayo ubhodlela unkosikazi sibisithi kodini.